Hello. In today's episode, we're talking about EON Reality's creative problem-solving simulator, released in December as part of EON Reality's knowledge simulator platform. Let's dive in. The system combines cutting-edge technology, high-fidelity 3D models, 360 environments with AI-driven knowledge portals, and avatar guidance to support problem exploration, solution development, and implementation planning. The simulator uses a three-phase methodology: problem space, solution development, and implementation. In the problem space phase, learners are guided by an AI avatar using detailed 360-degree environments and high-fidelity 3D models. These models can be rotated, zoomed, and even exploded. Dynamic knowledge portals also automatically generate and display relevant resources, materials, and methodologies tailored to the problem. What's exciting is the system's ability to highlight key constraints and requirements directly on the models using floating annotations. With AI-driven insights, learners are also presented with case studies and successful solutions from similar problems, prompting them to think critically. Next is the solution development phase. Through 360 and 3D models, learners examine solution possibilities, while knowledge portals provide dynamic visualization videos and images of concepts. The avatar guides the ideation processes. Solution evaluation is supported through AI-generated knowledge portals that display assessment criteria and considerations. Collaboration is enhanced through shared model viewing and avatar-guided discussion points. In the implementation phase, the avatar guides learners through solution analysis. Knowledge portals present relevant validation criteria. The simulator enhances it with a 360-degree environment with floating annotations and real-world case studies with practical application examples. The learners can record their proposed solutions, which are analyzed by the AI avatar. This generates a detailed AI report with development and solution rationale. And the best part? The problem-solving simulator is customizable, whether you're in architecture or healthcare. To give you a real-world example, architects can examine detailed 360 and 3D building models with multi-layer transparency and component exploration. Knowledge portals automatically generate relevant building codes, environmental factors, and design precedents. The avatar guides concept exploration, while floating annotations highlight key design considerations. The user records the solution to the AI avatar. AI avatar and AI reports analyze design proposals against requirements and constraints. Thus, Creative Problem-Solving Simulator is a game changer. It revolutionizes how students and professionals approach complex challenges and develop creative solutions. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Stay with us for more updates on how EON Reality is transforming education.